I'm so thirsty. Yuck, this is so gross. Probably filled with cow poop or something. Well, I need to put this over a campfire. Now that we've set up a nice campfire, I'm ready to boil my water. If you're ever in the wilderness and you forget your blowtorch, just grab your lighter and your deodorant. So go like this. As you can see, I have now lit my campfire.
The diameter of the glass was 5 inches. That means that the area was 19.6 inches. And the diameter of the campfire was 12 inches. That means that the area was 113.04 inches. And the temperature in Celsius of the water was 14 degrees.
Now this is a nice fire, a nice burning red hot fire. The Russian River ended up boiling and it was 100 degrees, but you can't really see that on there. You always have to dispose of your fire when you're done. Just a safety precaution. Now that the fire's done and we took measurements, we can finally solve for how much heat was transferred to the water. So we start out with this complicated looking formula, but really it's just heat equals the specific heat of water times the mass of water times the change in the temperature of the water. Now we can solve. So heat equals 4.186, which was the ratio for the specific heat of water, multiplied by 800 grams, multiplied by 86, because that's how much it went up from 14 to 100 degrees. And then if you multiply it all out, you will get 287,996.8 kilojoules. Alright, so we figured out how much heat energy it takes to boil one flask, but what if we had a flask the size of a campfire? Well, we already found the areas. For the flask, it's 19.6 inches, and for the campfire, it's 113.04 inches. And if you don't know what the area is, it's just how much space is taken up on the inside. So the inside is just this area that I'm shading in on both of them. This next step is easy. We're just going to use division to find out how many flasks fit in a campfire. And it just so happens that 5.8 flasks fit. And to find how many kilojoules are there, that's even easier. It's just 5.8 multiplied by 287,996.8 kilojoules. Because that is the amount of kilojoules it takes to make one flask boil. And it turns into a big number. 1,670,381.44 kilojoules. And that is how many kilojoules it will take to boil a flask the size of the campfire. There we have it.